All right, guys, today we are inside a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a virtual test drive for this vehicle. Say you are searching for a 2018 Mercedes and you're like, what does it look like on the inside? What's it like to drive? Well, I'm going to give you guys a good feel for that. So here we are in the driver's cockpit. We have this leather wrap steering wheel. I like the perforated on the side. Red stitching up along the door panel, the dashboard, on that steering wheel, on the seats as well, on the back seats. Massive panoramic glass sunroof. It's got a really nice Mercedes feel. Pop this, 2 cup holders, good sized infotainment screen with navigation. I will say the navigation a little bit hard to use. I mean, I still haven't figured out how to input. And I've been in the car for like 15-20 minutes. I don't even know how to input a destination. So I don't know how to show you guys what the navigation looks like. But I'll show you guys on the streets here. Got a quick little Excel. It's V6. Good brakes to bring you back down. It sounds nice when you're driving it. Got the AMG gauge clusters. But still that Mercedes luxury feel. I feel like we're getting more road noise than we should be with this car because it's some reason it's got winter tires on it instead of summer tires, so we're getting more road noise than normally you would have in the summer. Wow, look at that. When you hit the menu for the temperature, get that nice interior. That's pretty cool. We got a center console here, 2 USB ports, and an SD card for music, I guess. Looks like this one has the upgraded sound system on it as well. Don't want to get copyrighted, so we're not going to be playing any music today, though. The AC is cold. Can we turn that back up? There we go. Let's try this again. Like, what do we have for previous destinations? Yeah, nothing. Like, how do I search for Parkview BMW? Oh, well, here we go. Oh, no problem passing anybody. It's got lots of power. So it's a V6, about 362 horsepower. We're in Sport Plus right now. The RPMs are holding high. I love that. Good brakes. I like the sound that you get when you're in the Sport Plus mode. Really firm brakes right there. Got automatic lights. Got the 360 parking camera, cruise control. You can control the infotainment with this gauge cluster with this button. Infotainment, you have the dial, kind of like BMW, and then its own Mercedes touchpad, which is very interesting on top of that. What is this button? AMG suspension system. So you can adjust the suspension system, traction control in the Sport. Put the suspension, we're in Plus, Sport Plus. Manual mode, drive mode. Alright, we got the advance here. Give you guys a good chance to do a full Excel. Ah, very nice, very nice. The thing I enjoy most about this car is this steering wheel. It's leather wrapped and perforated on the side steering wheel. It's very nice to grip. Very good thumb grip right here. Flat bottoms, lots of leg room. Yeah, this is a nice car. Yeah, those brakes are nice. Aggressive shift. All right, well, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick virtual test drive of a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG. If you guys did, please smash the like button, help me out with YouTube's algorithm, and peace out.